What's up, everybody? It's Stoche here. I'm here with the original Stoche,
also known as Brady.
Today we're going to be doing Elephant's Toothpaste. It's pretty cool. It's like a little fun experiment.
Elephant's Toothpaste, that's what it's called?
Yeah, bro.
I'm unaware.
So we're just going to be doing a little fun science experiment today. Cool. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so what you're going to need is, first off, 3% hydrogen peroxide or 6%. It'll work just the same. So I have 2 of those big ones. It's pretty cheap. It's like, I got this $3 for 2 of them at Walgreens. Then you're gonna want some type of flask. I got a flask, but you can just get like a water bottle or like a 2-liter bottle or something like that. So, and then you're gonna need warm water. Pretty simple, straight from the tap. You're gonna want a little dish to mix the warm water and the yeast with. So you need dry yeast. You only need a little bit. Then to spice it up just a little bit, you're just gonna want some food coloring. So I just got some green, red, and blue, and then just some measuring devices. I got half a cup and a tablespoon, and then just a spoon to mix stuff up with. So let's get started. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get half a cup of our hydrogen peroxide. Whoa, a little full there. We'll just go like this. Oh, I forgot the dish soap. You need dish soap too.
It's alright, we can do that. So half a cup of hydrogen peroxide.
Just in the flask like that. Dish soap.
We ain't never gonna be dirty.
Alright. Put some in there. And then what we're gonna do. Oh, bubbles!
Oh my god.
Okay, and then basically what we do is we just swoosh that around.
Sauce it up a little bit.
Sauce it up. Ooh, cooking. Here we go. And then in this separate dish, what we're gonna wanna do is get 3 tablespoons of our warm water.
It's gotta be warm, people.
Dry that off a bit. And then get our dry yeast. One tablespoon. Put it in there. And then we're just gonna chill out for a little bit. Take our spoon, just mix that all up nice and good. Then once we have this little mixture, we're just gonna spice up this up a little bit. We're gonna go with red right here. Ooh, a little bloody. Mix that up.
Ooh.
All right, now for the fun.
Alright, let's see what happens.
So we're gonna take this and just chill out like right here. And then we're gonna pour in the dry yeast.
Oh, it's starting to go. How's the hood? There she goes.
Maybe you need more hydrogen peroxide.
Well, that's anticlimactic. I don't see no elephants around to be using.
It's supposed to be this right here. See that? All right. Fail number 1.
Okay, so Andrew's out here.
We're resetting just because it didn't go as planned.
It wasn't as cool as we wanted it to be. Right?
But I think the water wasn't hot enough, so we
reheated it.
Yeah, microwave.
Hey, what's up, Abby? That's her cat. She's. Oh, I'm sorry. This is family friendly channel. I'm sorry. All right. So what did you just do there? Did you put some soap up in there?
Yeah, I think I'm just putting in a lot more of everything. We'll go ahead and see if blue's any luckier.
Blue is a pretty good color. I prefer green, but you know.
All right, here we go.
Sauce it up. That's some dark blue.
Alright.
Alright, let's see.
I think I have too much yeast, but we're just gonna roll with it.
Too much yeast. There's the fail, okay?
Okay, hold up. Oh, it's sliding.
Oh,
it's
no.
sliding. Okay, we'll put it in the footprint.
It's got a nice little blue stain on it.
Alright, here we go.
Here we go.
Toss it up. Woo! Gonna ruin my
Put a
sweater.
lot of it up in there.
Alright. Here we go.
It looks like oatmeal. Nice.
It's all the yeast, man. I think it.
That's too much yeast.
Alright, we'll just pour
Put
it.
some more in. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's going faster than last time.
Dude, get out of the way.
You scared of the yeast? Oh, that looks so cool. Yeah. Because it doesn't have any gunpowder in it, Sean. Hey, but that's still pretty cool, okay? If you want to make some blue or whatever color you want, foam looking stuff, just rewatch this video. We tell you everything to do in it. So yeah.
We're gonna do another one. Alright, we're just gonna skip this. We're going approximate here. We're just gonna do whatever we want. That's enough.
That's how you do it in America.
Yeah.
But see, the last time this stuff looked like oatmeal, but now it looks like liquid. So, you know, I think this one's gonna be a banger.
Here we go. We're gonna do green this time. Third time's the charm.
And it's gonna work because green's my favorite color. You just lost a couple subs.
Yeah, it's alright. Here we go. Oh, skirt. Boom. Bunch of green. That's gonna be hard to clean up.
Hella green.
Who cares? Here we go. Alright.
We out here.
We out here.
Alright. Third time's a charm. We got all sorts of mess in the snow.
Man, here we go.
Ooh. That looks so cool. That worked a lot better than the last two. Look at that. So cool. Thumbnail. If you liked it,
It's almost dark.
make sure you leave a
Boys.
like. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're going to be uploading random fun videos all the time.
Make sure to hit that notification, join our notification squad.
Hit the bell, you know the biz.
Yeah, you know what
And
it is.
we'll hit you with another video next week. Thank you.